Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can center collection title on collection pages on Shopify Dawn Theme. So what you'll need to do is basically go and edit your theme. You can do and find that in your control panel when online store themes and edit theme. After that, what you'll need to do is go to your catalog or just collection right here and click on default collection, and you will have this collection banner right here. And what we'll need to do is zoom out a little bit if you don't see this menu on the right. If you're seeing this, it is okay and you don't need to do anything. And what we'll need to do is add a custom CSS. So just click on custom CSS, and then you'll need to write right here dot collection hero. So let's write collection dash hero underscore title, then open curly brackets, click inside it, click enter, and then type text dash align, then center, and as you can see we have this on center. Now if we save it, we will be able to see that our collection title is now on the center. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.